How to withdraw money from Cash App in South Africa. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply open your Cash App. When the Cash App opens just like this one, what you have to do is that before you be able to cash out your money from the Cash App, you have to link your bank to it. Okay, and then when you look at the top right hand corner, you see the profile icon here. Just tap on it. So when you tap on the profile icon, the next thing you have to do is just scroll down here. Where we have the linked banks, just click on it, and then over here click on the link debit card, and as you can see it says add a bank using your debit card. Okay, so you can do this. All that you have to do is you just put in your debit card number here, then you put in the month or the year, then the code also here, and when you look down here, the right bottom corner, you can see you have link card. Then you click on link card. So when you have successfully linked your bank to your Cash App, then you can easily cash it out by coming to the home side. When you look at the left bottom corner, you can see you have the home icon. Just tap on it. So when you tap on the home icon, this will come. You can see we have your balance is showing here, and the right hand side we have cash out. Okay, so all that you have to do is to simply click on cash out, and over here you have the option to withdraw any amount that you want. Okay, as long as your balance is enough, you can simply withdraw any amount. So when you put in the amount that you want to withdraw here, that is all. Then you simply send it directly to your local bank account. Okay, so this is how to withdraw money from the Cash App here in South Africa. Just like the video, and then see you in my next video.